I'm Christopher Nieper, and this is a family business started by my parents 55 years ago. We're manufacturing ladies' clothes here in Britain, and we've been here all of those 55 years. We've never gone offshore. We've never been tempted to go offshore.
Our customers, it's British made. They like the fact that we are established and have been so here for a long time, and we haven't turned our back on manufacturing and employing staff here too. That gives us integrity in their eyes, and that also we do. Quality is enormous for us. We're very strong on the importance of manufacturing quality garments, which they see and they value. And then added to that, of course, it's the customer service, the feeling important to us. They know they can call us.
We're a vertical business. Now that's unusual. So we are designing and manufacturing and retailing our own product using the internet, using catalogue, using telephone. It's an omni-channel world, this. And so the strength of the business and the reason we've been so sustainable for these 55 years is that vertical nature. Now I know that goes against modern management theory, which is you should concentrate on your strengths and subcontract everything else. But we've done the exact opposite. We've become a vertical business, and by building most of the supply chain into the company itself, we've become more sustainable, we've increased the gross profit, and the company has survived much better that way.
Having previous life worked with the Far East, and you send off packs and 6 weeks later something arrives and it's too late to do anything about it if you don't like it. But we work very, very closely with the sample team, so once we've designed something and got the pattern cutters are in the room, so we can work with them to get things exactly how we want them. And the sample team are just the other side of the door, so if they're making something and they think that it could be done in a different way, it could be better, they have ideas as well that they'll bring to us to get our first samples right, and then of course we can see it all the way through production as well.
I came here because it's like a local British company, and I love that everything's on site and it's all made in Britain. I'm really passionate about that. So.
Since the Brexit referendum, we've seen a step change in the demand for British goods, and I think there's two reasons for that really. One is the pound has become more competitive, 10 or 15% more competitive, and that makes us much more attractive overseas as an exporter. And the other thing that's changed is the renewed awareness, a much greater awareness of British-made product. And I think things made in Britain, the brand Britain, is one of our main assets.